how to get a banner or cover photo on Pinterest. The very first thing that you have to keep in mind or you have to remember is you cannot do this method adding a banner or a cover photo on your profile if your current profile that you are logged in is as personal account. It has to be a business account. Now, what you want to do to switch this account from personal to business is just head over to your user profile at the lower right portion of your screen and just simply tap on the three dots and go to settings. Now from settings, head over to account management, and this is where you can just easily change from personal account to business account. Now once you have successfully converted your current personal account to business account, then this is gonna be the time that you can just easily change or just add some cover photo from your profile. So again, just go to your user menu, which is gonna be the lower right portion. Now if you tap on the three dots at the top right portion, you will now then be able to see add cover image. If you tap on that, you'll have access with your gallery and upload anything you want. And that's it. That's how you get a banner or cover photo on Pinterest.